Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing what matters, the final MP4 and a clean transcript. Once done, import the video into your editor or subtitle tool so timing is accurate. Make sure to set project frame rate to match the source. Mismatched FPS shifts captions. If you don't have a transcript, use an auto-transcribe feature to create a draft. This saves time. Then you'll correct mistakes during editing rather than typing everything from scratch. Now you align and refine. Load the transcript into the subtitle track and move segments to match speech. Use short lines and natural breaks so viewers can read comfortably. This improves comprehension. Adjust start/end times by a few frames so text appears before speech and lingers after. This gives reading buffer. Then format. Choose legible font, size, and high contrast color. Place subtitles where they won't obscure important visuals. Once aligned, run playback to catch sync drift. To finish, export the subtitle file in the chosen format or burn them into the video for guaranteed display. Hard coding is irreversible but foolproof. Once exported, test the SRT/VTT in several players and on the web to confirm timing and character encoding. If captions appear off, check the frame rate and ensure the editor didn't change playback speed. Retime segments where needed. Quick tip: if lines overlap, shorten text and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.